perform a glute bridge, also known as a hip raise, get flat on the ground. Place your feet half a foot to a foot away from your butt. Press your lower back into the mat by tilting your pelvis backward. Take your toes up off the floor and lift your hips while squeezing your butt cheeks. Your knees, hips and shoulders should form a nice straight line at the top. Control the movement coming back down to the starting position. Make sure that your lower back touches the floor each time. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Active range of motion for glutes in this exercise is relatively short, so overarching your lower back at the top is a very common mistake.